like to take the time to introduce you to the Marie's half pan watercolor set of 48. This is a fantastic little travel set with 48 colors. It's got an ABS plastic box that is stain resistant with two really awesome areas for palette mixing. One here, and there's this one that's removable. Now the set comes with paper for doing your own color chart, which I've done, and then a nice kind of waxed paper set that can protect your color chart from these if they're damp and you put it away a little early. It's got two different water brushes, a round and a flat. It's got a little tray to be able to put some extra water or mixed color in, a small natural sponge, and then underneath another tray with all of your earth tones and grays. Got two little tiny charcoal sticks, two tortillons, a 1-inch goat hair brush, so a nice soft wash brush, and then a 1/2-inch golden Taklon brush as well. This gives you everything you need to be able to take this anywhere in the world with you and do watercolor. You don't even need the water if you've got the water brushes. So I took this on vacation with me and my family. I've got some different kind of images from Jockey's Ridge. We went to a great big sand dune in North Carolina out at the outer coast. A picture of my son, a sunset. Very easy to use, very easy to open and close. The colors wet very readily and they mix really nice. And I didn't even use the second mixing tray because there was plenty of room in the top for mixing all the colors that I needed. So, which that alone, just one tray is almost more than you need. So this is a great set. Travels very easily, folds up. I kept the sleeve just to kind of slide it in. In 48 colors. I mean, you almost didn't even need to mix anything beyond that. So the Marie's watercolor half pan set of 48, perfect for traveling and painting.